we just shovel the snow. Yeah, this new window. This was no glass, no window. Okay, we got all plugs, all lights, new carpet. This is the living room. Right here is the window, the blinds. Dining room, blind, lights, new switches, carpet. That's new lights. All the trim paint, all the walls, all the ceilings. Living room, lights, line, and switches, and doors. Another bedroom, same thing, carpet, paint, blinds, lights, and switches. Everything new. Bathroom still, you know, need a little work. We have to replace the bathtub. It's not done yet. We're gonna do it today or tomorrow. The kitchen, we have to tile. We're gonna tear everything in tile. It's very much, we don't touch the kitchen yet. Let's go into the basement. Basement floor, paint, clean, we trash out, we paint the walls, we paint the floor. It's ready to go. Let's see upstairs. All carpet, the stair, same thing. Fresh paint. I don't know if you remember how it was upstairs, but new lights,